What's up guys, how's it going? It's Mac from Cryptstar, and today I want to make a tutorial for the Prism protocol. Recently they announced that they're going to start the incentive farms for yLuna. So today I'm going to show you guys how to go ahead and stake xprism to go ahead and start getting amps for next week's farm, so you're going to get an even higher APR on your yLuna farms. Now in this tutorial I want to show you guys exactly how to make sure that you're not overpaying for your xprism. So if you go ahead and check here right now, the xprism price is actually lower than the prism price. So rather than staking it on the governance tab, you can actually purchase it cheaper on the swapping. So make sure you check this price, because when you go ahead and stake here and you stake one prism, you're actually only going to get 0.98 xprism. Let's go ahead and start the tutorial. Today, because of this sort of difference in price, I'll just go straight from UST to xprism, and let's go ahead and just do 90, and then I'll show you guys right after this how to go ahead and stake it in case the price difference is how it should be, which is xprism price being higher than the prism price. So hit swap, type in your password, and the reason I'm doing this is because I want to make sure you guys don't kind of screw yourselves over when you do this. Make sure you check the prices, okay? I'm just going to reiterate that as many times as I can, because I was actually expecting the price to be higher for xprism, but it's actually lower right now. So I went ahead and get 90 on xprism. Now I'm going to go to governance and go to prism, xprism staking, and this way you can actually go straight to xprism staking. So here you can see my xprism. I can just go ahead and pledge that right there, and boom. Okay, so I went ahead and staked my xprism for prism. Now I'm just going to give you guys an example of how to go ahead and stake your prism so you can get the xprism. This is another way to get xprism if you didn't do it the other way. I don't really want to do a lot, so I'm just going to do 3 here. You can see I'm actually getting less xprism, so it's not a very good deal for me. But this is just for you guys, because I love y'all. Alright, so that's it. And that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope that helped you guys get ready for the farms next week. And even in the future, if you need to know how to go ahead and set up xprism and stake it for those amps, this tutorial is for you. Anyways, thank you guys for viewing, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Peace out.